Number 2, Lemokey X1. The Lemokey X1 is an impressive entry into the mechanical keyboard market, offering a solid mix of performance and style. Its sleek design with customizable RGB lighting adds a modern touch, perfect for gamers and typists alike. The keyboard features hot swappable keys, allowing users to easily swap out switches for a personalized typing experience. The keys themselves provide a satisfying, tactile feel, making it ideal for those who enjoy a responsive key press. One of the standout features is the low latency and smooth connection, making it suitable for both work and gaming environments. The build quality feels sturdy, with a combination of metal and plastic that offers durability without being overly heavy. It's also fairly quiet for a mechanical keyboard, which is a bonus for those who want a less noisy typing experience. While the software could use some improvement for better customization options, the Lemokey X1 delivers strong performance at a competitive price, making it a solid choice for enthusiasts.